Hello and welcome to measurement vignette number 23 from Duncan Cartledge Online. This short presentation will look at some issues associated with taking off approximate quantities. Approximate quantities is probably the most accurate way to carry out an approximate estimate. It is loosely based on NRM2, but with some important qualifications, in that dimensions can be scaled off the drawings and small adjustments can be ignored. However, there are disadvantages, including this approach requires reasonably detailed information, basic taking off skills, as well as being time-consuming. The exact approach tends to vary from person to person. For measurement purposes, items normally measured and described separately are grouped together into one description. The nature of the grouping will vary from element to element. For example, when measuring substructure, the following items would normally be measured and priced separately. When measuring approximate quantities, a composite description is composed as illustrated here, and in the case of foundations, the length of the substructure is calculated in linear meters. To complete the measurement of the substructure, the overside slab, hardcore, and damp-proof membrane can be grouped together as shown here. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel.